Love is a many-splendored thing. It's nature's way of giving all of us a reason for living. So give love, even if you don't get it. Give it. It gives you a reason for living. Nature's rule.
Love is a many-splendored thing. It's the April rose that only grows in the early spring. Love is nature's way of giving a reason for us to be living. The golden crown that makes a man a king. Once on a high and windy hill, in the morning mist, two lovers kissed and the world stood still. Then your fingers touched my silent heart and taught it how to sing. True love, a many-splendored thing. Once on a high and windy hill, in the morning mist, two lovers kissed and the world stood still. Then your fingers touched my silent heart and taught it how to sing. Yes, true love's a many-splendored thing.
August 11th, 2022. I guess one knows when love is true, when you keep on loving, even though it's difficult too.